Hi, everybody. In today's video, we're going to learn about projects on Andamio, specifically how to build a project. So let's talk about what projects are on Andamio. What is a project? A project is made up of one or more tasks. A project prerequisite is a key part of the projects in Andamio, and a treasury. And the treasury is what allows project creators to pay contributors through smart contracts. A project task is a piece of work that the contributor commits to delivering using the skills they've acquired by fulfilling the project's prerequisite. Each task has a title, like homepage design, a reward amount, acceptance criteria, and an expiration date. The reward is sent to the contributor's wallet after the task is approved, and the acceptance criteria outlines when the contributor knows that the task is ready for submission. This is what you're expecting from the task, and if that is fulfilled, you approve the task and it is paid. The task's expiration date is the amount of time the contributor has to submit work. After the expiration date, unless the owner of the treasury, the owner of the project, extends that deadline, that task will no longer accept submissions of work, and the rewards will be sent back to the treasury. The other part of that's important about a project is the prerequisite. Project prerequisite represents the skills that the contributor needs to have in order to successfully contribute to a project task. It does not necessarily consist of an entire course. It can be just one module of a course or two modules. In this example, the prerequisite titled Community Garden Website Prerequisite is just module 100 of the Web Development Basics course. A project prerequisite could be made up of more than one course. So you can have another prerequisite here that is titled Web Design Basics, and maybe the module 101 of that course is also required to contribute to this project. And we'll learn a little bit later how you as a contributor or you as a project creator create those courses so that contributors gain the skills that they need to contribute and how they earn those credentials. Let's create a course as an example. I'm going to go here. I already logged in with my Discord user and I have my wallet connected to the right network. In this case, I'm on the pre-prod network, and I'm going to go to Andamio Studio. So I'm going to create a project, and I have my project here. And this is going to be an Open Source Contributor Bootcamp project. And this is going to help users, let's call them contributors, experience contributing to an open source project via guided tasks. You see, I have several things on my project dashboard. On the left side, you'll see tasks. On the right side, you'll see create prerequisites. On the bottom, there's a treasury. You need a prerequisite created in order to be able to activate your project, put it on chain. Until it is on chain, until it has a prerequisite and a task, you cannot put it on chain. You cannot activate your treasury. What do we need in order to create a prerequisite? Add a title, but most importantly, create a course that will work as a prerequisite. In the next video, we will learn how to build a course on Andamio.